A lot of what we tried to do and kind of our specialty has been helping provide tech companies with content that actually really shows off the quality of the products they're making, whether that be high resolution, HDR, dynamic range, color gamuts, all that kind of stuff.
Companies are creating new technology, and so we also have to be creating content that's on the edge of technology. We're often trying out things that aren't even commercially available yet. Most recently, we've been shooting 8K 60p HDR footage and finishing at that resolution.
We have a lot of different tools that we use. However, the ProArt line of products has been great for us because we can use it from end to end. It's a good solution that takes us from not only shooting and capturing and acquisition, but it also takes us all the way to post-production while we edit, review, and then finally at the end grade the footage and deliver it. Since we're on the bleeding edge of technology, it's fun taking new technology and trying to figure out how to tell stories with that technology.
Which was our reaction when we first saw HDR for the first time. HDR has kind of a wow effect when you first see it on screen. It's so much brighter, so much darker, and the colors are amazing.
Without a calibrated display, you're guessing whether or not the colors that you are manipulating in post are correct.
We're really discerning about our color grade, and so it's important to us that we have monitors that can give us the exact color we want to display.
What's really great about the ASUS ProArt display is that it comes with an X-Rite calibration and all the technology built in to calibrate it. We can quickly and easily calibrate the display, make sure we're seeing the right colors exactly to the specs that the real world should be seeing. The wonderful thing about the ProArt display is that I can go in and easily choose the preset that works best for the situation that I'm in. This monitor is great because I can just go right to the setting that I need and I'm off.
Having an HDR reference monitor on set is really valuable for the client as well.
It has so much connectivity options. It allows us to just plug it into any system or any kind of device we need to review our footage. Katie and I travel all the time. It's really important to us to pack light and be able to have the most powerful device possible to travel with.
Every pound we save with a computer, we can take another camera, another lens.
The biggest thing I was impressed with the StudioBook was just the display. Having a 4K display, especially the color renditions of the Pantone UHD, has just been awesome.
You don't have to guess what your footage is going to look like when you get home.
One of the things that really impressed me about the StudioBook was the fact that they put Quadro graphics cards in. Those are invaluable for most of us creative professionals to make sure that we have no issues on the final export.
Full resolution playback is invaluable. There's nothing worse than a jittery 8K timeline.
Having enough RAM, especially in a notebook that we're taking around and traveling with us, is really crucial because it allows us to quickly and without jitters review our footage, especially in 8K.
Filmmaking is one big question after the next. How are we going to do this next crazy thing that we've never done before?
Every day when I come to work, it's always a different challenge, and it's always a different medium that I get to work and play with. We're Jacob and Katie Schwartz, and we're filmmakers.
If you also create with ASUS ProArt.